Hello, welcome to Science Chomp to yet another cardiovascular system video. Today we're going to be looking at the blood. So let's just start off with what's in the blood. We've got four different things. We've got the plasma, which is the liquid part of the blood. And this is where you got like water, minerals, salts, proteins. All of that stuff is dissolved in the plasma. Then you've got the red blood cells. What these do is they carry the oxygen. And when you cut yourself and you see the blood is red because it contains a lot of red blood cells because your cells require a lot of oxygen. Then you've got white blood cells. Do you like how color-coded it? Red and white. Okay, white blood cells, what they do, they fight infection. And then you've got these things called platelets. Now, platelets, what they do is once you've cut yourself, if you leave it a while, the platelets form a scab, which is kind of like a covering over the wound itself. Okay? So these are the four components of blood, and we've got three main functions. So the first one is transportation. Now this is transportation of oxygen, transportation of water, transportation of minerals, hormones, you name it. If your cells require it, it's transported by the blood. It also removes waste as well. So blood is very important for that. Secondly, you've got fighting infection. So the white blood cells, they actively fight against infection. If you've got a viral infection, a fungal infection, a bacterial infection, or a parasitic infection, your white blood cells will deal with it. Now, the other part is the platelets. So when you cut yourself, as I mentioned before, the platelets form a scab over the cut to prevent things like bacteria and viruses from getting into your bloodstream. So this is all part of fighting infection. And finally, and this is the one that people forget, blood is very important for temperature regulation. On a hot day, what happens is your blood vessels near the surface of your skin, they dilate, meaning they get a little bit bigger. And the whole surface of your skin goes red, and you can feel the heat coming off. So you do this to lose heat. And on a cold day, the opposite happens. The blood vessels near the surface of the skin, they constrict, meaning they get smaller, meaning that you get less heat escaping through the surface of the skin. So that's called vasodilation and vasoconstriction. Okay, anyway, that's it. It's temperature regulation, fighting infection, transportation of the good things, and your blood itself rather is made of plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, these forming the scabs. Okay, dead easy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.